In this episode, I'll show you how easy it is to grill a cowboy ribeye steak using a wood-fired oven. Alright, we're starting by firing up the wood-fired oven and letting it reach its maximum temperature. We'll marinate the steak with a classic mix: olive oil, kosher salt, and freshly ground pepper. I'll apply a thick coat of olive oil to the steak. Sprinkle on some salt and freshly ground pepper. Keep brushing to build up a thick marinade layer. Finally, flip that bad boy over and do the same thing on the other side. Make sure you apply an even layer of marinade to cover every part of the steak. This helps to ensure that the flavors penetrate deeply and the meat remains juicy. Okay, let's get the oven ready. Once it reaches about 800 degrees Fahrenheit, I'll move the coals to the left and right to create a space in the center. Then, I'll carefully place the Tuscan grill inside and let it heat up. Alright, the grill is ready. Let's take it out, center the steak on the grill, and slide it back into the oven. With this heat, the steak will only need about 2 minutes per side to cook perfectly. Let's take it out, flip it, and put it back. This speedy sear will capture all those juicy flavors and give us a delightful char on the outside while ensuring the inside stays tender. After grilling for a total of 4 minutes, I'm going to take the steak off. You should let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes before slicing. This lets the juices spread throughout and makes it extra juicy. If you're a meat lover, you need to try this grilling method. It's incredibly simple and delivers amazing flavor and delicious results. Once you try it, you'll never want to grill your steaks any other way.